from the providers Axbima stores. AX24. What is it? It is a stand for laptops and tablets and more. It's made of aluminum. It's adjustable in angles. It comes in a number of colors and design. This is what it looks like. It is a aluminum color, silver, with pads all around to grab the laptop, tablet, and more, and 4-foot pads. Inside the box, we have spare square tabs and metal. We have an instruction guide that you can simply go over and how to use. Simply grab the tablet stand, laptop stand, hold, and starts to lift. In the back, it's strong to lift up, and simply take your tablet and rest on. As we grab from the front and lift up, they're adjustable in height all around. With the heavy laptop sitting on top and opened up, there's limitations of what you can put on and how they are. With heavy laptops, simply lift, place onto the desired height by grabbing and lifting, and able to place your laptop on and adjust. Able to type, show you what the laptop looks like on the side, what it looks like in the back. At its full extent by pulling all the way out and lifting all the way up and flat. Be able to put your tablets on as well as your laptop again. It is a strong and rugged stand, loosening up the Allen key areas and so forth. If you're looking for an adjustable stand for your tablets and laptops, notebooks, and more, this product may be something that you are looking for.